So we offer three different types of classroom-ready resources for educators and students. First, courses. Courses, think of them as integrated curriculum with a sandbox environment that lets students learn and practice with zero setup. So we offer two courses today, which are an Intro to Web Development course, which focuses on web development using CSS, HTML, and JavaScript, and what you'll hear about for this workshop, which is an Introduction to Python course. We also offer coding activities, which are 45-minute long, shorter in length, engaging activities that are a part of your classroom session and are accessible for educators and for learners. Think of them as quick activities that you can do with students to summarize key ideas, concepts, and materials from your resources. And then projects. This is a wonderful sandbox environment where students have the opportunity to create their own projects and activities, or you can even create assignments that you issue out to your students and they send back to you using a template. We don't send you out into the environment alone with the course. We provide a number of educator resources that are available for you in the Intro to Python course based on Dr. Bart's amazing work. First, we offer a set of lesson introductions that highlight Bloom's digital taxonomy, the goals of the lessons, the pre-work that you might need to complete, which is minimal, and then also the key vocabulary and definitions of terms that students will encounter as part of the lesson. We also provide the overall lesson outline, which gives you the plan of all the things that will be covered, as well as the pedagogical prompts you can use to engage in the classroom. So we give you questions to ask, things to consider, things to engage your students in, what the anticipated responses might be from your students. So if it's your first time teaching this topic, you'll know maybe up front exactly what students might say. And then also from there, why is this important and central to the conversation? We also give you the answer keys to all the questions that are included in each of the lessons and units and the code challenges. And then include extensions and supplementals, unplugged activities, things that you can do with your students that don't involve a computer to reinforce the lesson and material, all the rubrics that you need to assess their work, and then opportunities to scaffold instruction. So if you have students who are looking for higher level challenge or lower level challenge, we include those opportunities as part of it too. And lastly, we include the PowerPoint presentations that you would need to connect the material to the course itself online so that students can follow along, or you can participate in a hybrid space or direct instruction in your classroom. So the curriculum that we offer within the VS Code for Education platform follows a learn, try, do, create, extend, apply model. We really feel it's important for students to have learning opportunities along with trying things along the way very early on within the curriculum, transitioning to the opportunity to create and make connections to open-ended projects or exercises to demonstrate their understanding. And from there, progressively build projects that extend their understanding or extend the reach of their opportunities within a programming language. We've included at the bottom of this slide the research that this is based upon, but ultimately it's an understanding by design and principles of instruction combined model that actually brings this to the center. Also, we encourage you to take a peek at the scope and sequence model that's listed here, whether you meet once a week and wish to offer this as a full year course or as a semester where classes are meeting 3 times a week. We've broken out the individual units that are available for you and the anticipated time that it would need to be completed. We invite you to take a peek at this list. If there's a time or a way in which you teach your course that you'd love feedback on, we invite you to join us on the community at communities.vscodeedu.com in the Educator Center, and we're happy to answer any questions you have about the scope and sequence or suggestions on how you could approach it in your class as well.